Hi, my name is Katliente, and today we will be talking about monetization. Once you have reached a certain number of followers and viewers, you can go and earn money with various things such as partnerships, subscriptions, donations, your merch, affiliate programs, or sponsorships. How much you can earn depends on various factors, and in this video, we'll be diving into how much you can earn through what methods on which platforms. We will also be explaining how you can get financial support without necessarily being an affiliate. If you're not yet a partner or an affiliate, there are still other ways in which you can go make money as a streamer. Donations are available on each platform. One way to earn money on a streaming platform is through donations. The monetary amount is decided by the generous donator, and the viewer doesn't really get anything in return besides potentially a stream shoutout or from a notification or an alert that will pop up on stream. Most of the time, the donations will be in the couple of dollars, but occasionally, there will be a well-heeded and very generous donator that will donate from 4 to 5-digit numbers. However, this mostly concerns bigger streamers. Donations are great, but they also have a big disadvantage. They are very unpredictable. They come out of the blue, and you'll never be able to predict when you will next get a donation. One day, you could be extremely lucky and get donated 20 euros, and for the next couple of weeks, you can get nothing. Also, depending on the provider, there could be fees that are deducted from the donation. If done through OWN3D themselves do not take any cut out of the donation, but however, if it is done through PayPal, for instance, PayPal will take a fee. However, this is the case with any donation page that receives money through PayPal and has no effect with OWN3D. Furthermore, don't forget that if you are receiving donations, you may have to register as a business for tax purposes. But don't fret, we will get into that soon in the future. With the right marketing and the necessary motivations, you can also make money through selling merch. However, this is only really feasible once you have already built up an audience. On YouTube, you can actually sell your merchandise through an integrated merch store that automatically unlocks once you hit 10,000 subscribers. Affiliate and partner status. The main source for any Twitch streamer are subs, which are subscriptions the viewer could pay for. These subscriptions are paid, and 50% of the revenue will go to the Twitch streamer. Unfortunately, the luxury of receiving subs are currently only reserved for Twitch affiliates and Twitch partners. The motivation of viewers to go and subscribe to streamers could be one of many. A lot of times, they want to financially support the streamer they really enjoy, or other times, they want to reap a potential benefit. For instance, using an emote or getting ad-free viewing. To become an affiliate or partner, you have to have a certain number of returning viewers over X amount of time. So if you would like to go and earn money on Twitch, then you need to start thinking of building a solid, long-lasting community that would be willing to support you through subscriptions. The requirements for Twitch affiliate are that you need to stream for 7 separate days, for a total of 8 hours or more, to have 50 followers, and 3 average viewers. To qualify for the affiliate program, you need to hit these stats within a 30-day window. For Twitch partner, these requirements are a little bit more difficult. You would need to stream for a total of 25 hours, stream on 12 separate days, and the most difficult part of all, average 75 viewers or more. For the Twitch affiliate program, once you automatically meet the requirements, they will email you saying that you got in. For Twitch partner, once you met the requirements, it doesn't necessarily guarantee a partnership, and you would actually need to apply through their application program. You must be persistent, and many times it takes more than one application to actually earn the partner status. A Tier 1 sub currently costs $4.99 USD as of November 2021. And this sub offers you a myriad of benefits, including a special badge, access to emotes, and more. A Tier 2 sub is $9.99 USD and will offer you more emotes and a special badge flare. A Tier 3 sub is for the ultimate fans and costs $24.99 USD and will allow you access to even more emotes and its own special badge flare. Since 2021, the actual prices of subscriptions vary depending on the viewer's country of origin. For a detailed look, we recommend this article here. These subs can also be given as gifts. Viewers can gift a number of subs ranging from Tier 1 to Tier 3 to the viewers in stream. In addition, the gift giver is rewarded with a gift badge that would appear next to their name and they would appear on the monthly top gifters leaderboard in stream. But there is also another sub alternative. After Amazon took over Twitch, the so-called Prime subs were introduced, in which if a viewer has Amazon Prime and it's linked to their Twitch account, once per month they are allowed one free Prime sub to a Twitch streamer of their choice. This Prime sub will give the streamer the same amount of money they would earn through a Tier 1 sub, but cost the viewer nothing. If Twitch has accepted you as an affiliate or partner, you have the opportunity to earn money through ads. On average, you would earn about 2 to 5 USD per 1,000 views, and you are allowed to add upwards of 4 ads per hour. Bits are the equivalent of the virtual currency on Twitch. Viewers can gift these bits in streamers' streams to go and give them a treat. So, cheering or gifting bits is basically the equivalent of giving cash, but done through Twitch's currency instead. And you can gift bits in small or large packages ranging from 1 bit to thousands of bits. And as of November 2021, 500 bits corresponds to 7 USD. Streamheroes.gg is an external platform for Twitch and offers epic digital and printed trading cards for streamers, viewers, games, teams, brands, and communities. The platform offers several advantages for streamers and viewers. The free system is already extremely popular with the Twitch community, and now many major streamers have their own cards. Once you become a Twitch affiliate or Twitch partner, you can link your account in Streamheroes, and your viewers can start collecting points for cards that you make. Streamheroes is great because it motivates your viewers to go and watch your stream longer to earn points for these cards. Also, if the streamer has the alerts enabled, and when a card is collected, an alert will pop up on stream to notify as such. Each free digital card can also be purchased and delivered worldwide. Streamers receive a significant percentage of this revenue. The payout is delivered once 100 euros in revenue has been earned, but this also does require you to be connected with Stripe beforehand. But also, best of all, with every purchase, Streamheroes will plant a tree. If you want to read more about monetization on Twitch, we will have an in-depth article released soon, so stay tuned. Whether you would like to earn money through creating YouTube videos or through streaming on YouTube, you would need to go and qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. So, how do you get into said program? First, you need to go and qualify with YouTube monetization guidelines. Second, you live in a country where the YouTube Partner Program is active. Third, there are no active warnings for a community policy violation on your account. 4, your videos have earned 4,000 hours of valid playback time in the last 12 months. 5, your account has more than 1,000 subscribers. And 6, your account is linked to a valid AdSense account. Anyone who meets these basic requirements can apply to the YouTube Partner Program. As a YouTube partner, you have several opportunities to go and monetize your account. Each of these options, however, have their unique requirements, which require reactivation upon successful completion. With advertising revenue, you can go and earn money directly after admission to the YouTube Partner Program, and the requirements are the same. You can earn money by placing ads on your YouTube videos, and it is the classic way to earn money on YouTube. You can offer channel memberships for your viewers right at the start, and they're a great thing for both you, the content creator, and the viewer. Only you decide how expensive the membership is. Viewers have a choice to sign up for a one-time membership or a recurring one. You can offer up to 5 tiers of memberships, which are tiered and unlock more benefits the higher you go. Please note that every time you offer a new tier, you do have to offer something new in terms of benefits compared to the previous one. A common way to go and tier these different memberships is to offer different emojis or logos the higher the tier goes. Also, you can add exclusive content that only members of certain tiers can view. This way, you increase the incentive of viewers to become members of your channel. Super Chat and Super Sticker are available when you join the YouTube Partner Program. With this feature, viewers can pin and highlight their messages for a certain donation amount. The higher the amount, the more exciting the highlight and the longer it will be pinned to the top of chat. Soon, there will be equally detailed guides and tutorials on YouTube at the Academy, so stay tuned. Facebook's Level Up program is the equivalent to Twitch affiliate. It's the first milestone a streamer passes in terms of becoming an official affiliate. In addition, it is the perfect way to start generating revenue on Facebook. Viewers can reward Facebook stars, become supporters of your channel, and be there when you are growing. So there are benefits for both you, the streamer, and your viewers when you join the Level Up program. The requirements for the Level Up program: 100 subs on your Facebook page, you have streamed at least 2 days out of the last 14, and you have streamed gaming content for at least 4 hours in the last 14 days. There are also country-specific requirements for joining the Level Up program, which you can go and check out here. But what are the benefits of the Facebook Level Up program? Advantages for streamers include Facebook stars, fan subscriptions, raids, live advertising, and prioritized support from Facebook. Benefits for viewers include higher stream quality, in which you can stream at 60 FPS and full HD to become a member and access community features of the Facebook page. Members can receive access to special badges and sub-only streams. The Facebook Partner Program is the equivalent of Twitch Partner in a sense, and the level up of the Level Up program. While the requirements are unknown, it is known that streamers with consistent good performances would be selected to become Facebook partners. And the benefits of being a Facebook partner are quite notable. Advantages of the Partner Program compared to the Level Up program: partner badges, community gifts, subscription gifts, branded content, invitations to exclusive events, early access to certain features within the platform, and prioritized support gaming. But this much is said: the eligibility criteria for the Facebook Partner Program is based on active subscribers and monthly revenue. At this moment, Facebook is only accepting applications from specific countries. Soon, there will be equally detailed guides on Facebook on the Academy, so stay tuned. This is the classic support for almost all streamers, the good old subscription. Across all platforms, this is the most common way to go and financially support streamers. As usual, users can go and sign up for a subscription that would give them a myriad of benefits to the streamer. Some of these include exclusive contents, unique badges, and emotes to use. One thing that's very notable with Facebook, however, is that even though the subscription costs $4.99 like most platforms, the streamer will actually get all of the $4.99. Which is unlike most other streaming platforms, which would take a percentage of that subscription cost. From then on, the subscriber is marked as a supporter and will get access to specific benefits. A commonly used way to go and monetize on Facebook is through Facebook stars, which is basically Facebook's virtual currency and the equivalent of Twitch bits. Viewers can buy these stars to support a streamer financially, and each donation triggers an alert on stream. These alerts will vary in excitement depending on the size of the donation, and the streamers can go and excitedly thank the gifter for donating them some Facebook stars. You will receive 1 cent for every star that is donated to you, and once you have accumulated 10,000 stars, or the equivalent of 100 USD, you can go and request a payout through Facebook's Creator Studio. Soon, there will be equally detailed guides and tutorials on Facebook at the Academy, so stay tuned.
Is this video helpful? Join the free Owned Academy platform for even more features. We offer a course system designed to help you learn, and you can choose between written lessons or videos presented by experienced creators. Badges, progress, and achievements are all in one place. Learn for free and earn vouchers as you go. Join now and we'll help you evolve into a better creator.
As you can see, there are numerous ways to go and earn money through streaming, but your community should always be in the foreground and what you should be focusing on. And the big thing to note: you will not become an overnight success, and you will not wake up a millionaire by being a streamer. You need to give your channel time to grow, and you will not go and reap fame one day to the next. Don't forget to be active on other platforms like Instagram or Facebook to make your stream better known and to build a name for yourself. No matter your intuition as a streamer, it takes time and effort to build a community, especially one that would be willing to financially support you. And that being said, this may sound very obvious, but please make sure to go and thank everybody for their financial support, because it's coming out of their pockets and they're doing it to help you, the streamer, grow. So, in summary, there are many different ways you can go and earn money as a streamer across different platforms. And again, while there are many different ways to go and earn money as a streamer, the success doesn't come overnight and it will require a lot of hard work from you, the content creator. But it's something that definitely can be done.